Hi, welcome to another video on SSE. So in this video, we are going to look at three aspects of an SSE transport based MCP server. We're going to look at the ping aspects. Then we are going to look at how the routing happens. And then we also see how we can add a health check to our MCP server. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So in the previous video, we saw the execution flow. So let's look at the code first. So in this code, we have added one extra endpoint called /health. Okay, and this /SSE and messages existed in our earlier MCP servers as well. And this uses SSE transport. This endpoint uses post, HTTP post method, and then the health endpoint uses simple get method. Okay, do you see here we have a route, another route here. Okay, why this is a mount, and you notice that there is a slash here. This means all subpaths, messages / whatever we query will go to this post message handle call. Okay, whereas in this case this route /SSE and route /health will have to exactly match. That is all. Then this health check is very tiny script, but very useful when you launch your MCP server. So it just returns status OK. This indicates that the MCP server is working. Now I want to highlight how the SSE server sends a ping message. So let's start the SSE server. This is the same server code that we saw just now and we used in all our previous exercises. So here our UECon MCP server is running. It uses SSE transport. If you look at the Docker compose, you will notice that MCP simple tool server is running transport SSE and port 3001. Here we have the health check added in our Docker compose with sufficient startup delay, etc. So this you can adjust all these numbers. You can adapt based on your server performance and initialization time, etc. So ensure that when this health check gives OK, it means that your MCP server is ready to serve. So that is one addition we did. And so now let's run the MCP server. So here MCP server is being started and it is listening to port 301. And see here, it is confirming that the health is OK. So this is the Docker compose that is checking the container's health with the endpoint that we have specified. So now let's call the SSE endpoint using simple curl tool. So first response when you connect to an SSE server will be an endpoint type event, and it gives the session ID and the endpoint. Now this is what I want to show. This SSE channel will give us this ping message. So this confirms that the connection is alive or connection is active. And what the clients do is when it finds that the message starts with a colon, it will ignore the message as a comment, because it is anyway a ping message. So if you look at the client, see here in this line, this is the SSE response. If the line starts with data, colon, then only it is handled. If it simply starts with a colon, it will not enter here. Clear? So that is how it filters out the ping messages. So that is what I want to highlight in this short video. So we are getting ourselves fully ready, making all the foundational aspects very, very clear before we build a real world MCP based SaaS application. So stay connected. Please remember to like, share and subscribe and give your valuable comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye.